Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by combining essentials: ground beef, salt, pepper, and a splash of Worcestershire. Use 80/20 for best juiciness. Measure about 500 g for 4 patties. Once the seasonings meet the meat, fold gently with your fingertips, do not knead. Make sure to stop as soon as ingredients are uniform. Overworking tightens texture. If the meat warmed up, chill it 10-15 minutes so it firms. This first step sets texture and flavor, so be deliberate but quick. Once the mixture is ready, portion it evenly. Use a scale or eyeball consistent sizes. Form loose balls with light hands, then press them into discs about 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick so they cook evenly. Make a shallow dimple in the center of each patty. This compensates for center puffing and keeps thickness uniform. After shaping, place patties on a tray and chill for 15 minutes to firm up. This middle work controls final texture and ensures even cooking. You finish by cooking on a hot skillet or grill set to medium-high. Oil lightly to prevent sticking. Place patties and don't press them. Cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium, flipping once when a good sear forms. Make sure to monitor internal temperature if precise doneness matters. Once done, rest the patties for about 3 minutes so juices redistribute. If they seem dry, a small pat of butter or a quick splash of beef broth restores moisture. Use
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.